Okay, here we've got the main setup. We've got a router here responsible for the Wi-Fi. We've got a Raspberry Pi. It's has our Tomcat and the mqtt broker system on it. And we've got two clients, these iPhones here, and one client is an ESP module with some Actuators, and we're able to control different clients from another client using mqtt. For example, we can have both these iPhones, and I can start the camera on the left iPhone using the switch on the right iPhone. Or I can start the camera light using the iPhone and turn it off. And the device vibration, so this phone is vibrating now.